Om Gam Ganapatiye Namaha. Om Sri Sai Nadhaya Namaha. Today we will get to know about Sri Sai Baba Temple in Mississauga, Canada. The present temple has been opened to the public on October 6, 2011 with Baba Pranapratishthapan. For the last 10 years, people around the GTA have been visiting this temple. In this temple, all the 4 aartis like Kakad Aarti, Madhyahna Aarti, Dhoop Aarti and Shez Aarti are offered to Sri Sai Baba, just like in Shirdi. The best thing about this temple is on weekends we get a chance to perform Abhishekam to Sri Sai Baba's main deity with our hands. If we want to perform Abhishekam at this temple, we need to contact the temple administration and register our names for the available dates. The temple does not charge anything for the Abhishekam. We need to wear traditional dresses to perform the Abhishekam. Temple provides all the necessary things to perform Abhishekam. However, if we want to offer from our side, we can take shawl and headcloth for Baba along with flowers, fruits and prasadam. The priest in the temple will guide us to perform the Abhishekam. After the Abhishekam is completed, Baba's statue will be wiped and dried with the towels. Next, Baba's Alankaram will be performed with our shawl, Chandan Tilak and garlands. After the Alankaram is done, Naivedyam will be offered to Baba followed by Madhyahna Aarti. At this temple, they also offer Vahana Puja without any cost. Our car keys and documents are placed at Baba's feet to get his blessings. Similar to Sai Baba Abhishekam, the temple offers Sai Vratam as well. For every New Year, the temple offers special Aarti for Baba on 31st December at midnight and welcomes New Year with Baba's blessings. There is no charge for any puja at this temple. However, the devotees can donate to Baba Samsthan and obtain a receipt. Whoever visiting the temple will get Baba's prasadam after darshan. Temple staff and the volunteers are very friendly. They always follow Baba's principles and encourage the devotees to follow the same. For the last 10 years, the devotees coming to this temple has been increased to an extent where the temple's administration team has decided to increase the temple space by constructing new temple where it can fit more devotees and offer more seva options to Sai Baba. For this, they ordered Baba's new statue, which is similar to Shirdi Sai Baba's statue in all the dimensions. Interestingly, the order to sculpt the statue is given to Sri Rajiv Talim, who is the grandson of Balaji Talim, who sculpted Shirdi Sai Baba's statue. Soon we will be getting the opportunity to see the Shirdi Sai Baba in Mississauga, Canada.